change became the global trending topic for the recent years. It caused fear for many people around the world. But how does the climate change affect humanity, specifically in the Latin America? Hi everyone, this is Jenica Maction. Join me in my discussion for today entitled The Global Climate Change in Latin America. This is Latin America. Latin America is the region of the world consists of two continents. The North America including Caribbean and Central America, and South America. Latin America encompasses a vast and very diverse area of the world. The main nature features of the region include the Pampa grasslands of the southern cone, the Andean mountain range, the Amazonian rainforest, the forests and volcanoes of Central America, and some of the tropical islands of the Caribbean. Most people in the region speak Spanish, Portuguese, French, English, Dutch, and Creole. According to the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, climate change is a change of useful weather found in a place. This could be a change in how much rain a place usually gets in a year, or it could be a change in a place's usual temperature for a month or a season. Climate change may cause weather patterns to be less predictable. Mexico is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. It is belong to North America. Mexico considered densely populated because of the country's size and 120 million people living there. Mexico ranked 12 in the largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world. Climate change in Mexico took place since 1960. This country has been getting warmer than before. Also, droughts have become more frequent. Wildfire and water supply is declining because of increased rates of evaporation that dry the lakes and oceans. These abnormalities deprive the agricultural crops including corn. Corn is the backbone of Mexican cuisine. However, many farmers in the central Mexican states of Puebla abandoning the crop and turning to pistachio or cactus that require less water. Hurricanes are also a catastrophe brought by climate change. Warm water is the lifeblood of tropical storm systems. Our oceans and seas boiling as our planet continues to become hotter. These warmer than normal waters increase the probability of stronger storms like Typhoon Eta that hit Central America in 2020. A devastating Category 4 hurricane landfall near Puerto Cabezas, Nicaragua in November 3, 2020. It caused extensive damage across Nicaragua, Honduras, Guatemala, and Panama, and took over 200 lives across the region. 2 weeks later, Hurricane Iota became a Category 5 storm, tormented the same countries with torrential rains, pounded with saturated soil, causing deadly landslides. And the number of the rapid intensifying storm in the Central America accumulating every year. Climate change not only distressing humanity, but also the peaceful life of the Amazonian bird. Let's explore the Amazon forest of South America. The Amazon covers a huge area, 6.7 million square kilometers of South America, mainly in Brazil, but also in Bolivia, Colombia, Ecuador, French Guiana, Guyana, Peru, Suriname, and Venezuela. South America's Amazon contains nearly a third of all the tropical rainforest left on Earth, and home of 10% of all the wildlife we know, and probably a lot that we don't know yet. A new study has found that birds in an undisturbed region of the Amazon are evolving smaller bodies and longer wings in response to the climate change. Of the 77 species that researchers studied, 36 had lost almost 2% of their body weight per decade since 1980, and 61 saw an increase in wing length during that period. Researchers link these morphological changes to climate change. With hotter temperature and less predictable rainfall patterns, the birds are evolving to eat less, get smaller, and produce less heat. Deforestation is the main killer of all the wildlife in the South America. Because of the rise in temperatures, the tropical forests become dry and increase the risk of forest fire. The adverse effect of climate change tortured the living things. For some, it brought starvation, and others became violent. But there are also a group of people that never lost hope and continue to search good faith through migration. Nevertheless, scientists think we can do things to stop the climate change from changing as much. You can help by using less energy and water. Turn off lights and TVs when you leave room. Turn off the water when brushing your teeth. You also can help by planting trees. Another way to help is by learning about Earth. The more you know about Earth, the more you can help to solve climate problem. This is Jenica Maction. Thank you for joining me today.